I would say no document is okay slash errors. Okay, based on order data, correct? And with movement type what? With movement type 261, no?
Nice. 262.
Correct. Next, third, click on what is that? Post, right? Correct.
Post.
Post. Okay. Click on post button. Okay. What will happen? A document, a material document number will be generated, and and what will happen? And the components will get issued to the order. Correct. Clear. Next. Next, what will happen? That's it now. Confirmation is there, right? Yeah. Go to T code IW41, okay, and enter the order number and click on enter. What will happen then? This is for a new window will be displayed. Okay, a new window will be displayed to enter details of what? Tell me.
Working hours.
That and all, working hours, next actual worker or actual duration, no? Actual duration. Next, based on confirmation, text, all those things and all. Okay. Okay. Next, what will happen next? Once all the details are validated, click on save button. Okay. Click on save button. That's it. What will happen then? What will happen? Right? The
A pop-up will
huh. Okay. Pop-up will display. Even I'm not sure. Pop-up will be displayed.
with the order number.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. With order confirmation number. Correct. Confirmation number. Okay. And what will happen? The order status will get updated as CNF. Correct. Next, I will leave it the tech and all to you guys only. Okay. You know very well what need to be done and all. Okay. It's been, we need to focus on other things also, right? This basic things, In case if you are, finding difficulty for writing this kind of test scenarios for a RISE-FW, okay, right? So then you just reach out to me. Also, what I am going to do, I am going to also today share the real-time FDs for much more examples, into the drive itself. Okay, so that you can go through that whenever you get time. Okay, right. This is how a test in a test script will be written. Now, okay, we have written the test scripts well and good. Now, how to make use of these things, right? You simply just entered okay, right? Then how you can able to track or how to make use of this, right? So for that, in general, majority of the clients nowadays uses HPLM. Probably you might guess, might be knowing or might not, right? But HPLM is the tool which we are using, right, to execute the test scenarios or test scripts. This HP is what Hewlett Packard, their product it is. Okay, it is very famous. In any kind of implementation projects, right? HPLM is very famous. Okay, the reason is it is, right? It offers much more options basically. Okay, what are the options? You see, if I open this, right? Let me open HPLM tool testing. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, okay. I'll copy image and I will paste the image here. You see what will happen. I will zoom a little bit and show. Okay, you see what is there. You see test lab, very very important. Okay, in the test lab, first what you will do, in the test plan, sorry, in the test plan, what we will do, this kind of Excel template will be uploadable formats. Okay, this kind of templates will be uploadable. Even the template you will find in HPLM tool itself. You can download and you can write this test cases, and you can directly upload this template. Then what will happen when you upload this template? System automatically creates your test cases like this. You see, system automatically creates your test cases, not test steps. Test cases like this. Okay, then you need to go to each and every test case. Okay, and in that test case there will be set of test steps. Okay, like our this test steps is there, no? Which one? This one. This test steps, you need to execute each and every test step, and you need to set the status like this. Like if it was passed, okay, it was passed. If it was failed, failed. Okay, it was not applicable, you need to update status as not applicable. Okay, then what will happen? System accordingly will update like that, pass fail like that. You see, then what will happen? There will be some testing team, okay, who closely track all these things. What they will do, until or unless 95% of your test steps are into turns into past, okay, until then they are not going to give the sign off for the SIT phase. You're getting me? So in order to take the move to the next further phases, your 95% of your entire test steps. When you say 95% means what? How many? In this case, there are how many test steps? You see, let's say 19. 19 test steps are there. So nine out of 19 test steps, at least 17 should be passed. In order to update it as passed, it is not simply you just go and no one sees you just update as passed. No, for each and every test step, you should paste your screenshot from SAP. It is very very time taking phase. Okay, SIT, and much headache, boring phase. Okay, right? Frankly, we are discussing. It is very boring phase. For each and every test step, you need to take the screenshot like the way I take, right, in our classes. You need to take the screenshot like this, and you need to upload that particular image, or you can make a document and you can upload the document to that test step or test case. You're getting? Then only they will have a review also. Who? The testing manager, testing team will have a review. Are these functional consultants properly, updating the screenshots or not? Okay, they will take the dump and see whether every test step has an attachment or not. Okay, right? So that is how you will use your ALM. Okay, and in ALM, each module will do like the same way. Okay, it is not only how we PM do that. Every module need to undergo the same process. Okay, and this same HPLM is also used to track the defects. Can anyone tell me what is meant by defect?
Not conformable.
Sorry,
Not conformability.
non. I didn't get you.
Transaction data issues, sir.
Okay, where the transactional data issues? Okay, or master data issues? Right. Okay, agreed. Anything which is not functioning as expected. Agreed. But in where? In which system?
When test,
Quality, no?
suppose we take the
Quality system,
quality system.
right? Not in dev, neither not in prod. In quality, both in SAT and UAT. Correct? If anything which is not working as expected will lead to a defect, then how to create a defect? You see, you are executing this test case, okay, for example, right? And you found that the value category or any issue, there is some issue from the MM side or controlling side or PP side. Then what you will do? You will fail this particular test step, okay? And when you click on fail, what will happen? System automatically opens a new window asking to create a defect. It automatically opens a new window asking us to create a defect. Okay. Then what you need to do? You need to okay. Let me see as soon as I clicked on space, you see what has came. Test scripts it came. See correct. Let me put it the defects. Okay. Defects. We'll see. Aha. You see right. Copy image. Okay. So these are all real time. Okay. Right. No one will explain this testing part. They wanted it, they won't explain, right? Okay. This one is your defect. What is a defect now? So you are executing, let's say, any test step. You found something is problem, something is missing there. You simply create a defect, that's it, and assign to so and so person. Okay. Detected by your name, you'll get your name. You'll assign to that particular guy. Okay. And you will explain the issue. And if you want to send any screenshot and all, you will just send this and you click on save. What will happen? A new defect will be created and that will be assigned to him. And the testing manager, whoever is the testing manager, what he does, daily he'll have a call with all the functional consultants and he will review the defects. Okay. And he will ask that particular guy for whom we had assigned the defect, the status. He will ask the status, what has happened to this defect, when, you know, how much time it will take for you to complete this defect. Okay. He will ask him and he need to complete that defect. Okay. And once he complete the defect, he will assign back to us and we will test that. And if it is working, then we will, make that test step as passed and we will close the defect. That is how it will work in the entire SIT phase till you are able to complete 98%, not even 98, I would say 100% of your entire test steps. Okay. You need to get more, you need to, use ALM a lot. You will use ALM a lot. Okay. It is not a problem. One time you see, it will exactly, this is basically ALM screens only. Okay. Application Lifecycle Management. ALM means what? Application Lifecycle Management Tool. Okay, very, very important, right? That is how you will do. Okay, next. Same case with UAT, but in UAT, what will happen? By SAT, you have executed everything, and you had also uploaded the screenshots in the ALM tool. Then how you can execute in UAT, how we in the sense how the end user will do the UAT? Already it was there. What the testing team will do? They will refresh everything. Okay. When they refresh everything, what will happen? All your test steps will become again into what? Not executed, not executed, and all the screenshots will be removed. Again, it will start fresh, and this time the users will execute and test. Okay, we being a functional consultants are responsible to clear the defects if they raise any defect. Okay, and rest of the things, updations and all, they will take care. We are not bothered about that. They will take care. Okay, no need to take that much headache at that time. Just you are focused to clear the ish defects. Okay, but the same templates are being used. Okay, no change about that. Right. Next, what about Uh, let's discuss on cutover activities. Okay, cutover activities. I hope the above topic is clear to you, everyone. Okay. Next, let's discuss on cutover activities. Right. What is meant by cutover activities? Okay, what is meant by this, right? So basically, in quality system or in pre-production system or for that matter production system also, before you know starting your end-to-end transactions, there are some master, I would say data. There will be some data which is neither a config nor a master data nor a transactional data. Then what is that? That kind of data you need to enter or create in the cutover activities. Okay, you tell me. Have a rough guess. What can be the cutover? That kind of data from the plant maintenance. Be it from data point or some configs point also, right? Let's say, for example, not only to create, you need to also sometimes validate as well, right? What I would say, when as soon as your transports move to the quality system or pre-production system or production system, you need to you need to check. No, it is not like we have sent the transports and we won't check. It is not like that, right? What you need to do, you need to validate the validate all the what, tell me, baseline configurations, correct? Baseline configurations, okay, you need to validate, right? Next, what was that second cutover? Valid entries in any custom tables, okay. In a process of RISE-Ws, there might be you would have created some customized tables, okay. So you need to add those entries, right? Next, validate the number ranges. Next, tell me what else. Validate the number ranges and create some standard text keys if if applicable. Okay, this is neither a config nor a master data. No. Next, from plant maintenance point of view, you might have a little bit less only, correct? If there are more RISE-Ws, then okay, each dependent on the RISE-W functionality, you might get some few cutover activities, but your cutover activities will be much more for team, SD team, for those teams and all. Okay, and I forgot that what is that? Enable or create partner profiles. For what? For idocs. Okay, for idocs, correct? Next, validate what else? The connection settings, okay, from /2 to the third party tools, correct? Clear? So basically these are the generic cutover activities, okay. Then what, who will do this? We only need to do this. There will be one point of contact, okay. He is responsible for tracking of all these cutover activities for team to team, and you need to also specify how much time it is going to take. Let's say it is going to take 1 hour, it is going to take 30 minutes, okay, it is going to take again 1 hour. Next, it is going dependent on your size of your standard text keys, 5 hours or not 5 hours, it will be huge, 2 hours, okay. Next, enable partner profiles, 30 minutes, okay, 30 minutes. Valid connection settings, 1 hour. So how much total? You need to say him that I would need this much of time. You, in the sense, your team would need this much of time. This is from SAP PM. Correct? Like that, each and every team will give the details and who is going to execute. Person X, who is going to execute in a team, and this is person X. Next, person Y, like that. Okay. We'll also give the details to him. Okay, so that the relevant person should be available on that particular day whenever we are doing that cutover activities. Okay, very important topics. Huh? You should also learn the business processes, all those things, but parallelly, you should be very, you know, uh, focused, not focused, right? You should be also knowing these kinds of issues also. Okay, not issues, concepts also. Okay. Next, what was the last one? Role role matrix templates. Okay, what is this role matrix templates? Okay, what does this mean? Role matrix template basically this will be between your SAP GRC. What is GRC? Security team. Okay, security team. What is the responsibility of security team? They are responsible to provide the proper roles or authorizations to our user IDs. Okay, means what? In some of the clients, you will not have access or authorization to the other module T codes. Okay. Same case, other module guys will not have access to our plant maintenance T codes. Okay. Why? Because they want to restrict. They don't want each and everyone to go and check whatever they want to check, right? So that kind of restriction might be there. Okay. And also there is one more uh, concept here, right? What? Let's say you have your T codes, okay, and authorization roles, okay, and here you will have in user one, okay, user two, all are related to plant maintenance only. User two, user three, correct. Next, this is the matrix role matrix template basically. Okay, how it will be, I will tell you, right? So let me click on button. Right, what was the T codes? What are our plant maintenance T codes? CS01. Okay. Next, IP41, IP42 slash IP43. Next, IP10 slash IP30. Like this, you will have T codes, right? IP31, IW21. Okay. Next, IW38. Correct. Next, what else? IW39N. Like this, it will have, right? So, authorization roles. The security team will have the respective roles. For user one, he needs. Yes, he needs. For user two, he needs dash. He doesn't need. Okay, or dash it will take formula. NA, I'll put NA. Okay. Next, user three, does he need X? He need. Next, this T code user he needs. No. Then this guy need. Okay. Like this, right? Like you as a consultant, what you need to do. User one is, let's say, he is a supervisor. Correct. User 2 is a planner. User 3 will be your manager. So based on the roles, you need to provide the access, right? So that list you will give to the security team. That is known as your role matrix template. Okay. Based on this template only, he will be going to provide access to the roles. Okay. I mean user IDs. That user IDs will be used by the respective designated person. You're getting? You're getting no? And you will submit to them and he will give the proper roles. This is not very important activities in a project. Okay, it is not like we just did baseline configuration and we just sit and you know it is not like that, right? You need to take part in each and every activity that is leading to the progress and successful completion of the project. Okay, getting who knows, in some of the projects you might be also responsible for setting up the calls with other functional consultants, extract the report from ALM, and and have a meeting daily. You are the lead. Okay, you need to do that. Right now, I'm doing that. Right, I need to extract report and I need to coordinate with all the teams asking about the statuses and all. I need to extract the dump from ALM. Okay, so those kind of activities also you might need to do. Okay, clear or any doubts? No doubt, sir. Okay, let me stop.